hello to all my friends out there. And so, okay, I baked cookies the other night, and so we're having some cookies. And so maybe you don't want to bake any. They have these at grocery outlet, 2 packages for $1. So I bought 2 the other day. And you can make some of this frosting. I want to give you this frosting. Okay, I have everything, but it's not too expensive if you want to make your own. I bought the powdered sugar at 99 cents only. They have this chocolate powder at 99 cents only. It doesn't require butter or anything, and I used this powdered milk. And then I bought the vanilla at 99 cents only too. So, and I'll have a little mint tea. Big problems. I have cracked up all my teacups. That's okay. I'm going to buy myself. I'm going to start buying them by the set. I am just too destructive. Hazelnut coffee creamer. So I will be doing a little cooking before Halloween. I heard we get a lot of trick-or-treaters. I'm excited. In the last place, I wouldn't get one single trick-or-treater. Well, it was a bad neighborhood. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.